Hi all. So I picked up this spring for the snowplow. It's a Meyer spring OEM, original equipment. Here, I'll show you. See here. There's lots of springs on eBay, but they're all aftermarket stuff. So I wanted one spring on hand, just in case I broke one. So this was the best price that I could find. I'll put the price in a pop-up. It was about 25 bucks. So usually the price is like 30, 40, or a lot more than that if you're buying from Meyer website. Okay, so I also got these things here, these bolts. Okay, so these bolts, there's the number 09124, and here again there's all kind of parts on eBay. I think they might be aftermarket, but these are Meyer OEM. They come with the bolt, 2 nuts, and the cap. Okay, so mine still look pretty good, but I figure if they break, I wanted to have a few on hand. So I don't remember the exact price, but these were pretty expensive bolts. But I bought a box of them, so I got a good deal. I've thought about replacing all the springs. I found deals. You can buy 4 of them cheap, but I just haven't got around to that yet. These seem to be holding up, so I think I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so it's nice to have a few of these on hand, and 1 or 2 springs on hand too, in case you break one while you're plowing. Okay, see ya.